Hi pals, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tally. If you're new here, welcome. Grab yourself a cup of tea. I am in my comfy clothes today because I'm going to be dyeing my hair later and I CBA to get changed. So it's been just over 2 months since I dyed my hair with Lush Henna hair dye, and I thought I'd give you a little update, and my roots need doing. So we're gonna do that all in one video. If you haven't seen that first video I made where I actually dyed my hair and I took you through the whole process, I'll link that up here for you, or up here, I can never remember which corner it is, so you can have a little watch of that. I really enjoyed the process of dyeing my hair. It took absolutely ages, but I think it was worth it because my hair just feels so much healthier and stronger. And one thing I did notice is for the first month about, after I dyed my hair, I could smell the henna every time I was washing my hair, which just goes to show that it's like still on my hair and it's still protecting it. It's that long-term protection rather than just like one cover and then one wash and it's out. So that was quite an interesting thing that I wasn't expecting to notice. So it's in the light, I think that you can really kind of see my roots coming through. I'm not sure if you can see them. It has been quite subtle because when it's darker, you can't really see the henna so much. You can only really see the like bright orange colour when I'm in really bright light. So I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like in summer. But I don't think the colour itself in like the length has faded at all. I'm not sure. I'll put in a before clip from the last video that I did so you can kind of compare. Sorry, I'm like squinting in the light here. Yeah, so you can kind of see if it has faded. I don't think it has, to be fair, which is kind of annoying because I kind of wanted it to fade rather than my roots to grow through, because that means I'm gonna have to do some upkeep. So let's go touch up my roots. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing exactly the same process. So if you want to see kind of step by step how I do this, go and watch the last video. I'm gonna kind of rush over it now. But I think what I'm gonna do is just put some on my roots and along all the bits where it's faded, leave that for a couple of hours and then do my full head so that it's all kind of even. That's the plan anyway. Let's see how it works out. So I'm all set up. I've got a block and a half in here for my roots, and I've gone for a kind of thick consistency again because my hair is so thin. I've got towels all over the floor, gloves, lots of hair bands to separate my hair to get my roots, Ultra Blend to do my hairline, and I've also popped a mirror here so that I'm going to be able to see the back of my head. That's the idea anyway. Maybe that will help, maybe it won't. So I think what I'm going to do is separate my hair into sections first so that I can get my roots. So I'll do it in like strips. Oh my god, you can really see it. You can really see how bad my roots are when I do this. Okay, this definitely needs to happen. Honestly, this is a look. So I've got all these bobbles in so that I can put some along here, flip it, and then put some along underneath. Got my Ultra Blend all around my hairline. I've got my old glasses on so I don't ruin my nice ones. Let's go. So this is what we've got. It was quite hard to get like right at the back. I was using the mirror and I did get some kind of in the ends of my hair, so we'll have to try and get some of that out before I wrap it in tin foil. I think I'm gonna leave this for 3 hours and then do the rest of my hair for another 2 hours. Wow, this really is a look. So it's been on my roots for 3 hours now, and what I think I'm going to do is just take it off and rinse it off and see how it looks, because I need to be somewhere in a couple of hours and I want my hair to dry and I don't have a hairdryer. So we'll see how this looks with just the roots done, and then I've still got 4 more blocks so I could do a full head in a couple days. And I'm also going to be dyeing Adam, my partner's hair, because he saw mine and was jealous, so he wanted to have a go. So this is the before colour. Give us a tour of your head. Move your head around.
Oh, sorry, give us a tour.
A tour of your head. So it's quite dark. And you just had it cut, so it's all nice and fresh. So we'll see if the henna takes to pretty dark hair and pretty short hair as well. He has significantly less hair than me, so I only used 1.5 blocks of the Lush henna blocks, and this worked pretty well. I used exactly the same process for melting the henna as I did when I was doing my hair, but I did end up adding a bit more water because that boy's hair is thick. So this is the finished look for both of us. Mine, I only did the roots in the end, and to be fair, it looks alright. Like, it's blended pretty well. I'm trying to show you the back. I don't know if you can see it. I kind of wanted the like henna treatment on all of my hair, so I might do a full head like at some point, but to be fair, it looks alright for now. And yours, let me turn you around. Yours has gone really ginger.
Yeah.
I'm surprised because your hair is so much darker than mine.
I was only on for about, it was less than 2 hours it was on for. And you've left yours on for what, like?
This is 3 hours with my roots. Here's the back. Twirl, work it. Yeah, it's harder to get the really short hair and like on your sideburns, but the top bit looks really good.
Yeah.
So that's what matters.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have had a different experience of touching up your roots or dyeing shorter hair with Lush henna, or if you've had the same experience. Let me know how you get on with your Lush treatments. I really hope you found this helpful. Also, some very exciting news if you haven't heard already. In February, since it's Valentine's Day month and LGBT History Month, I'm going to be uploading a video every other day all about self-love and loving yourself and everything about that. So if you'd be interested in that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss it, and all of my future videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!